Hi everyone, so today we're going to draw a hamster. So first we'll start out with his ears. So we'll start up here. We're going to have the ears come out like this and then come down like that, so kind of rounded. We're going to do another one on this side. So go up and then just come down like that. Don't have to be perfect. Then we're going to go ahead and start about right here. We're going to just make like the inside of the ear right here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the head. So we're gonna kind of like, so this is a fuzzy hamster, so we're gonna kind of like, make it look like he's really fuzzy. And we're gonna just kind of come down to, not too far down, but kind of like wide. And then we'll go ahead and add the eyes. So we're gonna add two really big eyes. Kind of like that. And then we'll add our little white areas, a little shine on our eyes. Same thing for that one. All right, and then we'll go ahead and add our face, or our nose. Just a little nose right there, and then our mouth. And then we're also going to add a few whiskers because, hamsters have whiskers. So like that. Then we're going to go ahead and do the body. So we're going to start about right here, and we're going to make, like the fuzziness like this. We're going to have his arms just kind of come to the center here. We're going to go to the other side and come down like this. Actually kind of come out a little bit more than that. Come down like that, and then come in, and then we'll start about right here. And just kind of have the hands like touching together like that. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom part of our hamster. So hamsters are really fluffy and kind of chunky. So we're gonna have his body, so like just kind of come out like this. It's all fuzzy. Of course, it's gonna be fuzzy again. And then at the bottom, we're gonna add his little feet. So we're just gonna add like 3 little toes like that. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. 3 little toes, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and just fill that in, the fuzz. All right, and then we're gonna add a little tiny fuzzy tail to the side. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and outline our hamster. So we'll start up here at the ears. And I'll go ahead and just outline the best you can. All those little fuzzy parts sticking out. All right. Whiskers. And I'll go ahead and do our eyes. Just go ahead and color in the black area of the eyes. Right? I feel like that eye is bigger than this one. So I'm going to make this one just a little bit wider, like that. All right, and we'll go ahead and do the rest of the body. Really fuzzy hamster. A little tail on the side here. All right. All right, so oh yeah, and I also want to add, so for the hamsters, we're gonna make the arms come up like that, and then we're also gonna add like a little belly on our hamster. So next we'll go ahead and erase pencil lines, and we'll go ahead and color our hamster. All right. Okay, so we're going to start with the pink. Make a little pink nose. And then we'll do pink on the inside of the ears also. And we're going to make the feet pink as well. Toes, I guess. And then for the body, so I'm going to leave the belly white. And then the rest of the body is going to be this like kind of beige-ish tan color. So the entire body, except for the belly, is going to be this color. And our tail, go and do our tail beige too. And then other side of the body here. And of course our head, go do that same color. Just outline, go around, makes it a lot easier to color, then you can color big sections really fast. Right, almost done. All right, so that is how you draw a hamster, a cute hamster. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have many more videos on my page and a lot more to come. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.